Hello friends and neighbors, and welcome to another moment of science with the Danville Science Center. I'm Science Ben, and today we're gonna feed some birds. Take a pine cone and tie a string around its stem. Next, get some peanut butter and spread it all over your pine cone. Finally, roll your pine cone in a shallow plate of seed. Done! Making a bird feeder is a great way to recycle materials in your house. With an adult's help, cut a hole in the side of a milk carton about halfway down. Make it large enough for a bird to fit through. Below that, cut a much smaller hole. This one will hold a stick, making a perch for the birds. Decorate your bird feeder with paint, stickers, markers, or other supplies you have around the home. Finally, fill your feeder with seed. All that's left is to place our bird feeders outside and wait for our new friends to arrive. Try it at home and discover your results. This has been another moment of science with the Danville Science Center. Thank you, and stay curious.